Welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how you can install GeoLayers 3 and After Effects. First, make sure you have a GeoLayers 3 downloaded on your device. Now, let's open WinRAR. So over here, go to your GeoLayers file location, select GeoLayers over here, and on the top, click on Extract to. Now, we have to extract this inside our After Effects extension folder. So to do that, go to your Windows C over here. Just click the plus sign button, then click the plus sign button again on Program Files with x86 beside it. Then here, click on Common Files, then Adobe. From here, scroll down a little bit and select Extensions, then click OK. And there you have it. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.